Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt a bit lost while trying to manage and edit pages on Wix, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the essential process of managing your Wix pages efficiently, spotting errors, and making sure your site shines. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating through your site's pages and making edits that really make a difference. Let's jump right in. Now, when it comes to managing pages on Wix, things can seem tricky, especially if you're not quite sure what you need to fix or update. Sometimes you might log in and think, where do I even start? So here's my advice. Take things one step at a time. Don't worry about trying to overhaul your entire site in one go. We're going to start by doing a quality check, page by page. First, head over to the main menu and locate the Pages section. This is the central hub for all of the pages on your Wix website. Once you're there, click Manage Pages. Here, you'll see a neatly organized list showing every page you've created, like your home page, about page, contact page, and so on. Think of this screen as the control center where you can peek into each room of your website. Now, I recommend starting at the very top, usually the home page. Click on it and carefully scan for obvious typos, awkward spaces, or anything that feels off. Take your time. Sometimes our eyes skip over small errors like a missing comma or a duplicated word. Don't underestimate how a tiny mistake here can change the way visitors see your brand. For example, a single typo on your homepage can look unprofessional, just like wearing mismatched socks to a job interview. If you spot anything, go ahead and fix it right there. Once you've finished checking one page, go back to the Pages list and repeat the process for each page. It might feel tedious, but trust me, this level of attention is what sets polished websites apart from the rest. Now, here's a pro tip. After you've checked the visible content on a page, look to the right of each page name and you'll notice 3 little dots. Click those dots and you'll see a menu with more options. One of them is Settings. Click into Settings to access several important sections for that page. Inside Settings, you'll find details on page info, where you can edit titles or URLs, permissions, helpful if you want certain pages to be private or restricted, and both basic and advanced SEO settings. These SEO features are crucial if you want people to actually find your website on Google. Even if you're new to SEO, Wix makes it pretty straightforward, so just double-check everything looks good. Take a moment to review each field. For example, having the right meta description helps your page look inviting in search results, like a movie trailer that makes people want to click. Here's where being meticulous really pays off. A small typo in your SEO settings, or forgetting to set the right permissions, can affect your traffic and user experience more than you might realize. So go slowly, methodically, and don't rush this step. If something doesn't make sense, don't worry. Wix has tooltips and help links right there. That's basically the workflow. Go through each page one by one, check everything, from content to settings to SEO, and take the time to really polish your pages. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into something confusing, just drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.